and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, and in this video I'll show you how to make double crochet stitches. So let's start. To begin, I'll make a chain of 10 stitches. If you're unsure how to do this, you can find tutorials in my other videos. The links are in the description and the corner of the screen. The chain is ready. Now to move to the next row and start to crochet double crochet stitches, we need to make the 2 turning chains. Let's make one and the second one. These 2 chains are called turning chains. They help keep our rows even. Next, we'll yarn over, skip the 2 turning chains and start to crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook, this one. Insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Your first double crochet stitch is complete. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and then pull through the remaining 2 loops. The second double crochet stitch is done. We'll continue using the same method. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and then pull through the last 2 loops. And again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and then pull through 2 loops. Here's how it looks so far, so let's finish this row together. We reach the last stitch in the row. The first row of double crochet stitches is complete. To move to the next row, we need to make 2 turning chains. Then we'll turn our work. Now we'll start to crochet into the 3rd stitch from the hook, skipping the 2 turning chains. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops. So we'll keep crochet this way until the end of the row. here's the last stitch. And we have completed 2 rows of double crochet stitches. And here how they look. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment letting me know if you successfully made double crochet stitches. Subscribe to my channel to see more helpful tutorials. See you next time.